Hey YouTube, I'm here on Tax Tip Tuesday. I know it's been a while since I've done a video about my Tax Tip Tuesday, so I'm not going to give any specific tax related inquiries, but I do want to give you an update. Now, of course, we know the Affordable Care Act, the sign up and deadline was on the hill. Go around, damn, the whole day on the side of the street. Anyway, so of course we know the Affordable Care Act, the deadline was last week Tuesday, and of course, as self-employed individuals or self-contractors will be required to have health insurance. Now, of course, let me clarify a few things about the Affordable Care Act and the premium tax credit. Now, I'm going to use my case as an example. So I signed up for the Affordable Care Act on ACA.gov, chose a provider, and of course my premiums per month will be about over $400. Now, if I elected to have the premium tax credit, the thing is, you could choose to either take an advancement of the premium tax credit to pay towards the premiums, or you could choose to get that credit when you file your tax return next year. And the credit could be anywhere from about $1,600 to $1,800 now, or more. But let me tell you the stipulations about having an advanced premium tax credit. If you choose to take the advanced premium tax credit, say for instance your premiums were $400 that you have to pay for your health insurance, and you need help paying your premiums, and you say, okay, well, let me take the credit of, say, $200. So that way you got the advanced credit of $200 to take away from the $400, and then you pay the difference of $200. But that's all based on speculation of income. So if you're self-employed and you know and you're especially the ones who do the ride sharing full-time, this is your only job, and you work for, you drive Uber, Lyft, and all the other companies full-time, and that's your main source of income, and you didn't pay any estimated tax payments, then you may subject yourself to a penalty of an estimated tax penalty. Now, in terms of the Affordable Care Act, if you don't make an accurate estimate how much your income will be, you may get too much of that credit. And if it results in you getting too much of that credit, then you may owe a bigger tax bill. Now, of course, paying $400 a month may be a little bit steep for most. It may be steep for me, and I have until January 1st to pay that first month premium. Otherwise, I'm not considered have coverage, and I may be subject to a penalty up to $650 or more. So I'm not talking about for those who have spouses or partners who could be covered under the insurance, or those who may have another job and they work part-time. This is exclusively for full-time ride-sharing people who does this full-time. Now, in my opinion, would I choose to take the premium tax credit, advanced credit now, or would I rather wait and get that premium tax credit later, which is a refundable credit on your tax return? Me personally, I say I would rather wait to get that credit when I get my tax return. Because if you choose to take that premium tax credit later, then I would get more of a bigger refund or refundable credit later on in the year. That's just my opinion. So, and then another thing we have to factor in is also if the next president chooses to repeal Obamacare. In my opinion, will he be able to appeal it? No, I doubt it. I don't think he will, and he don't have the capabilities to do so. A lot of people think he can, but because, stranger things has happened. Now, but in regarding overall about the preparing of your taxes as self-employed individuals, my thing is first, get yourself in order. Get all your paperwork in order. Get all your receipts that you may have in order. Now, I know some of y'all may say, well, I have an accountant who does my taxes every year. But if this is your first year really doing this ride-sharing economy as a business, I hate to tell y'all, a lot of them may not understand how to prepare taxes in regards to the ride-sharing economy. So my suggestion to y'all is to go to irs.gov, go to individuals, and you go to small business, and there's a tax center for the ride-sharing economy. You visit that link and try to educate yourself just a little bit. You don't have to understand it fully, but if you want to really understand what you're able to deduct, make sure you're able to deduct what type of expenses you're able to deduct, or if you're one who didn't keep track of your mileage, if you didn't keep track of about how much you spend in gas, or whatever the case may be, I would say go and leave a comment below and I will respond back to you. Now, I did get an email from someone, which I will be responding back. And if you need any help with taxes, I have years experience, and also as a ride-sharing independent contractor myself, I know exactly what the IRS is looking for. I know exactly how things are done. So just hit me back and leave a comment below, and also go to my other channel, TPS Tax and Consulting Services, and we could go ahead and prepare for the new year. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.